First, copy the Google Sheet to your own account. You will need the 2Chat API key. Go to your 2Chat account. Click on your profile. Click on API Access tab and copy the API key. Paste the API key in your Google Sheet. If the API key is right, the phone numbers and account information will load. Copy the phone number you will use for send the messages. Go to the group list sheet and paste it. All the WhatsApp groups will load. Copy all the group names you want to send the messages. Go to the messages sheet and paste the group names. The sheet have a lookup formula to get the group ID. Enter the messages for every group in the column C. You can send images, pasting a public image URL in the column D. Click on Send Messages. You must authorize the Google script execution. You must do this only once. After authorizing the execution, click on Send Messages, and you will see the result in the column E. As you can see, it's really easy to send bulk messages to WhatsApp groups using 2Chat and Google Sheets. Create your 2Chat trial account in minutes and use this Google Sheet.